Okay, in this lesson, we'll take a quick look at range in case you are finding range in 6th grade. The range is the difference between the smallest and the largest data values, and that does seem like it should be really pretty simple. And it is. So the only thing you need to just kind of watch out for with students is some students will look at the first one in the list and the last one in the list, and they'll subtract those. So they'll subtract 91 minus 58 and get 33 as the range. So there's sometimes a little misunderstanding between the idea of smallest and largest versus first and last. Now, if they have already put their numbers in order from least to greatest, like we have here, then it is first and last because the smallest one is first and the largest one is last. And we instead have 91 minus 40, which is 51. So that's just a little thing to look out for, is that they are definitely taking the smallest value rather than the first value. Same thing here. We already have them in order here, so it's 23 minus 7.6. In number 3, it's 62 minus 31, simple subtraction. Now, on something like the dot plot, this is where listing out the values comes in handy again. There are times when students might look at this and say, smallest and largest. Okay, 6 is the smallest because there's only one value there, and 1 is the largest because it has the most data points in it, and that is not the same thing as the smallest value of 0 and the largest value of 6. So the range of these values is from 0 to 6. So it would be 6 minus 0. The range of the values isn't from 1 to 6, because there's 1, 6 there. So that's where they need to be careful with the dot plot to really think about what is the range of values. 0 up to 6 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. So that is it for range. Just real quick overview there, and that's just that one little trickiness to watch out for, is making sure they're picking the smallest value that exists and the largest value that exists. And if you have any questions, let me know.